Alright, today we're going to be talking about episode 7 of How to Trade the Stock Market. It's going to be the most important thing that you're going to need to learn, one of the most important things, and that is finding the draw on liquidity. Now, again, liquidity is going to be your area that's very smooth. So right here would be liquidity. You can find liquidity under a low, like this one, under your swing lows. You have more liquidity here. These equal lows, equal lows right there. Swing low right here. And price seeks out liquidity. Price is always drawing to somewhere. The price, the chart, the candles, they don't move at random. They have an objective. They're always moving towards an objective. They're always moving towards an objective. Like here. Right here. There was liquidity above these highs. So what did price do? After coming down, it came out, took that liquidity, and now what is it looking for now? The liquidity under here. Liquidity under here. But just so that it doesn't get confusing, now all this stuff is going to come to you with time. You might not understand it in one day. Well, actually, yeah, most likely you will not understand it in one day. Just look how price moves. For example, look at this right here. Look at this smooth area. You have this candle, this candle, this candle. Look how they all are around the same height. And notice the wick of this candle. Notice how it just barely taps above, just barely goes above that line. I'll make it red, it's easier to see. Look how it just barely goes above that. Isn't that weird? Doesn't that seem odd? Because price it's on an algorithm. It's not random. So price went above that, took the liquidity, and then where was it reaching for? Where did it go down to? Let's take a look. Let's take a look at this low right here. Before it went up. Before it went up again. Where did it stop? Make it green. Let's start at the daily. Okay, so this is where it stopped at before making that move up. Look at that. Perfectly down to that candle. It was stopped right above this liquidity. Now I feel like all this is going to be very hard to grasp